Okay, so we're with Graham on the 6-week challenge. He's just completed it. So I'm going to let Graham just tell you a little bit about where he started at before he joined us. If you want to tell us, Graham.
Right, I came in a bit overweight. I suppose you'd call me sort of a fat, thin person. So I carried it all on my belly. I left my sports alone for about a year, and this was a perfect way to, as a competitive person, to kickstart me into getting fit, and boy did it work. It's fantastic. I've lost 7% body fat, which is massive, and I'm so chuffed with that. It's been brilliant. I've now booked in for some more triathlons and a couple of tour races in Devon, and it's just got me going again. It's
Cool.
just got me going again. It's brilliant.
Good. And how did you find the process that we ran you through?
The process was very thorough. Gym's work's hard work. The diet to start with was hard work, but as the process went on, it got easier and easier and easier. And I felt like I was kind of looking forward to getting into the sessions. You know, actively wanted to go to do the sessions. It's yeah.
So you're definitely chuffed with the result you got.
I'm really chuffed. Really chuffed. I feel lighter. I feel more energetic.
Good.
Yeah, great.
Good. And one other thing, just to help, what would you recommend us to people that you know?
Without doubt. Without any doubt whatsoever. Yeah,
Okay.
Brilliant.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Graham.